full form of their technology, entertainment, design. TEDx is mostly about the inspiring talks. These are short speeches. Please note down this thing as well. Maximum you can go up till 18 minutes. The TEDx speeches are begin with stories, some intriguing fact. Storytelling is the most effective way to intrigue the audience. Okay, you can use it in the beginning, you can use it in the middle, you can use it in the end. Back in school, my math teacher was super intelligent. Okay, I said that. Now what if I say in this way? Back in school, my math teacher was a walking calculator. Now, which one sounds more interesting, the first one or the second one? There are some key storytelling techniques, the different ways in which you can present your viewpoint, how to build suspense. Don't reveal everything at once. Hooks are the beginning line or sentence that is gonna intrigue the audience. Compelling question that we were just discussing right now.
Right.
Okay, some shocking fact like the statistics or the US fact I told you about public speaking. Then intriguing story that you can build, or maybe a real life anecdote you can talk about. To use storytelling techniques to create that description, to connect with the audience using dialogues and the figurative language. And then yes, employ the story here in the body part if you want to illustrate, describe, just give more insight into the topic of yours. Let's spin the wheel. Just think, what is something that you feel passionate about, something that makes you feel a bit curious. You have to give a main point, and every main point will be supported by some sort of evidence. You've got the hook, you've got the main body where you explain everything with the help of the examples, the studies, the evidence, etc. And then comes the conclusion. Like for the scientific topics, you might need to give a demonstration to better explain that scientific concept. Incredible.
Like be amazing. It's another word.
Perfect. Have a straight backbone, chin should be up, smile on your face.
She sells by the seashore. She sells seashells 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 by the seashore. Seashore. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Very good. Great. Make sure to practice properly with the videos or whatever visual aids you're using. Let's spin the wheel.
What if failure isn't something to fear? What if instead of being a roadblock, it is actually a powerful tool that can shape our success?
Matt Killingsworth had collected data on understanding how to become happy. To improve us, and that led to us building grand civilization.
I just love the class as a whole.
But this class is left something, I think, like something deep in my heart.
If I ever want to talk about like public speaking, or if I want to talk about how to start your TED Talk journey, I am going to mention you in that, because
now I'm crying.
You
I'm literally crying.
You're a great example, a great anecdote, like a great person in general. If I ever have to do a speech on, you would probably be. You're a great person to be a role model as.
We're gonna have super fun. Super fun.
This time, I think it completely revolutionized the way I normally interact with public speaking. This was a really, really great opportunity for me because I learned from everyone a lot. Of course, ma'am, I learned from you the most because you were like a really, really amazing teacher.
The whole was like really entertaining. I like learned so much from like watching others speak.